Hello friends, how are you? Hope so you are well. So today's video title is that how to create a blog in WordPress. So let's get started. So I have divided this into 5 different steps. Step number 1. How to install WordPress. First, you will need to log into your webhospedage.com account here with your registration email and password, or you can use the access with Google button to log in directly with your Gmail account. That must be what you created your account with. Now go to the cPanel. If you do not know how to access cPanel, you can watch this video. This link in the description. So first you scroll down. Here you can see the software section here. So we have to click on the software apps installer. Then we have to click on the install WordPress button. Select your installation HTTPS, then select your domain name. Then you have to write the name and description of your site and also add your username and password. And send your email. Now select your theme and click the OK install button. Wait a few seconds. So your site has been successfully installed. Step number 2. How to install and customize the best blog template. So first open your WordPress dashboard. On the left side you can see the appearance button. So now we have to click here. So here you can see the theme section. Now we have to add a new theme. So we will click on the add new theme button. So here you can see the theme section. If you have your own theme, you can upload it by clicking the upload button. Otherwise you can add any custom theme by clicking the search button. But I will choose the theme from here. I'm choosing Promos blog theme. These are very fabulous theme for blogging, but this is not a promotion of theme. So now click on the install button and wait a few seconds, then click on the active button. We will check now our website to see if the theme has been uploaded. So now you can see that my theme has been successfully activated. So the next step is how to arrange the main colors. Open your WordPress dashboard, then click the custom site button. On the left, you have to click on the colors section. As you can see, these are the main colors of our site. You can change this color from here. So let me show you how to change the color of background. So now we have to click on the background button and choose the color that we want to do. After that, we have to select the color and click the publish button. So I checked my website to see if the color has changed. As you can see, the background color of my website has been successfully changed. So you can change the color of other things in the same way. Step number 3. How to add logo and favicon. Open your WordPress dashboard. Before that, I want to confirm one thing. Each theme has a different way of changing the logo, but as I will tell you, everyone can change their logo. So you can see the WordPress dashboard. So here we have to click on the custom button. Now we have to find the site identification section. So just click on this button. Here we have to add the logo. Now click on the select image button and now click on the upload button. Then click on the select file button and select the logo you want. Wait a few seconds for the logo to upload. Then click on the select button. So you can see the logo, but its width is not correct. So here you can manage the width of the logo that you want. The width of my logo is 220, but the width depends on your logo. The next step is how to add favicon. So here you can add your favicon. Now click on the select image button and now click on the upload button. Then click the select file button and select the favicon you want. Wait a few seconds for uploading favicon. Then click on the select button. Now finally click on the publish button. So you can see the successful addition of logos and favicon. Step number 4. How to create categories and add them to the main menu. Now we need to open the WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you can see the product section. Then click the category button. So here we have to add our category according to our blog post. Here we have to add our category name, slug and description. Then we have to click on the add new category button. Similarly, you can add more categories. So next step is how to add categories in the main menu. On the left side, choose the appearance and click on the menu button. Now choose the category section and click on the view all and select the categories that you want to show in the main menu. Then simply click on the add to menu button and click on the create menu button. After that, select the primary menu and then click on the save button. Let's check if our category is added or not in the main menu. So you can see that our categories have been added successfully. Step number 5. How to add blog post. Open WordPress dashboard and choose the post section. Then click on the add button. So here we have to add our post title and write your blog post. After that, you have to select category related to your post. Click on the featured image section and add your blog image. In the last, click on the publish button. In the same way, you can add more articles. So as you can see, our blog has been completed successfully. If you like today's video, please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.